In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can sign up for Deepseek. So first, go to Google and type here deepseek.com and then hit on enter. It will take you to Deepseek official website. So now click on start now. And it's completely free, guys. You don't need to pay and do anything. And also make sure to notice that due to large scale of malicious attack on Deepseek service, the registration may be busy and you need to please wait and try again later. All right, so I have already registered this and I can normally log in this. So if you are new, you need to wait if this login is not working for you. All right, and try again. So here is a login with Google. You can simply log this with Google account. You can choose any account you wanted to and continue. I am finally able to sign up this Deepseek. In case if you are not able to do this, you need to have patience and try again. And this is it, guys. This is how you should use Deepseek. And it have like R1 model that they just released. This is developed by China and it's small engineer. So yeah, let's say hi to Deepseek. And you can see that for simple hi prompt, it's just thinking like that. Now also let's enable search. So if you use search, this might be busy because right now Deepseek is getting a lot of traffic and its server is not working properly. So let's say hi, hello. And as you guys can see that search service is busy. So you will need to disable search and try again after like a few minutes. So if you are lucky, then you can have search feature as well. Search will just scan all the Google page and all these search engine pages, and it will give you the best result. So Deepseek is very good for research purpose, especially because you can see the backend as well, like what AI is thinking. So yeah, this is how you should sign up for Deepseek and use this. So this is the best alternative to ChatGPT right now. Also, it is competing with ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.